This video I'm going to show you how to turn on comments on TikTok. Now ensure you watch to the very end to avoid any mistake. And please guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also to like the video. Thank you guys. Now let's get started. Now open your TikTok app. Then click on your profile icon on the bottom right corner. Then click on those three lines on the top right corner. Then settings and privacy. Then click on privacy. Then click on comments. Then click on comments at the top. Then for you to turn on comments for everyone, just click on everyone. And then go back. Guys, that's how you can easily turn on comments on TikTok. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.